So this is the city gate Abuja, the entrance to the city of Abuja. So youths actually shut down this road protesting for the end of police brutality in Nigeria, the end of harassment, all these atrocities, corruption and all.
I forcefully opened the door. So by the time I opened the door, I ran to the living room. What's happening? Why are you taking my husband too?
They hijacked me and moved me to that vehicle that was parked like 2 streets away. The armed men blindfolded me, and from that point, I didn't know what was happening again until we got to a place and they asked me to come down.
My husband was away for 41 days and I had a 7-month-old baby with me. It was such an harrowing experience for me.
Every citizen has the right to protest. Everybody has the legal right to protest against anything they are not comfortable with in a country. But it's sad that in our country, Nigeria, this is not the case. You are at risk of so many things. Once the government picks on you, you are bad. You are almost gone.
I can say that he's an IT guy and that is exactly what he does for a living.
I believe there's always a price of freedom. Freedom doesn't come easy. It comes with a lot of prizes, a lot of patience, a lot of hard work. Yes, I will encourage the youth to keep speaking, to keep shouting as one voice